interested in Dad's problems today.
Hmm.
Okay, it's yet another fabulous day. And one of our favorite things to do, of course, is start up old heaps. And oh, we can put this on 8mm too. We don't have any 8mm of this car going. So a lot of people enjoyed seeing the 1950 Chevy Torpedo going last week. So we thought we'll carry on and fire up another relic from the used car lot here. And we had lots of fun suggestions. And this is the one we picked. Thank you guys. A lot of votes for 1951 Kaiser Special, the base Kaiser. Let me get a stick and we'll have a look here. Okay, what's going on in here? Okay, yeah, typically cobbled together looking rig that we tend to have. It's got fuel pump. Looks like it even has an inlet line, which would be nice. So I'm thinking we toss a battery in and figure out the wiring. I don't know what I can never remember how we got these going. Did this car even have a muffler? I can't remember. Neighbors are hoping so. There's some wiring there. So
Battery tray is still looking good, eh?
Battery tray looking good, yeah. And power there. I don't think we robbed anything out of this guy. This one was kind of like pretty decent, so if we get it to start, oh, I remember the radiator is not good. This thing it won't run forever because this one does get warm eventually because the rad doesn't circulate very well.
Oh yeah, because of all the
it's just so gummed up. This is a Kaiser Supersonic, according to the cylinder head, but it's basically a Continental 226. Same engine that all Kaisers used in various states of tune, right up from 47 to 54. They even supercharged this engine in a desperate attempt to make some power. But this is the most common development, which is 2-barrel carburetor and about 7.5 to 1-ish compression, I think. There we have the data plate and the famous Willow Run Bomber plant in Michigan. So yeah, a neat old car. Very happy to have it. Had this car probably 20 years. One day, I know we keep saying one day we'll put it on the road, but maybe one day. It's not rusty, but it still needs absolutely everything else. But it does have a decent running engine. This came out of another 1951 parts car that I had. Battery, check. Fuel. Tell you what, we'll try starting it. If it starts, then we'll
put more fuel in.
Well, we'll put some fuel and we'll put it inside the car so we can move the car. Okay, let's check if in fact it's in neutral, which probably is not. Yuck.
Spider Central.
No, sort of. Clear. Might need some fresh. Okay. If that doesn't do it, something else is wrong. Ready?
Yeah. you want the squirty bottle?
All right, well, that's not a total failure. Let's get the temp thing and see which cylinders are hot and which ones are not.
Okay.
200. 150. 160. Oh, 190. No.
Yeah.
Nope.
Filling it up.
We got coolant, water in the incredibly plugged up radiator. As long as that fuel hose will deliver fuel, we should be okay. Not terrible?
No, it started so nicely.
Even it's still kind of quiet. Hey,
Yeah.
This one, it's not even loud. Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that was fab.
That runs really well.
Yeah.
And that was the soup factor. It's getting warm
Some mice
already.
floating up.
Yeah,
Some
growth.
skeletons, some ghosts.
That's some growth. 1951 Kaiser Special. It's going to be a special drive. So far, so good. It's running surprisingly well.
Fuel pump, check.
Fuel pump, check.
Ignition.
Oh, look at that, eh? It barely even turns over.
It's alive.
Listen to that puppy.
Hood prop, check.
Check.
Hood latch.
Check. Good looking car. Man, the steering is funky. Eh? There's like,
Is this the one? I forget which one it was.
Yeah, there's a half a turn of dead air there.
Buckle up, Frankers.
Speedo works though. They won't be speeding. Eh? I don't think the steering wheel is even holding on. That's minor. Clutch is just really normal. You surfaced all that. Try to clean it all up.
Oh! Boo! You need your hood latch.
Huh? Nope.
We're gonna push starter. Okay. Okay, get in. Come on! Nice. Looked like you had brakes there.
Huh?
Looked like you had brakes.
Nope. do you think, Missy? Uncle Ashley's driving today.
Yeah.
Hey, have fun.
Buckle in. What a good girl. She's a driver.
It's a drive. He's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.